Hi, my name is Carlos Cedillo. I'm working for 2020 Plumbing and Heating, and I'm doing this project for senior living, 64 apartments in Chino, California. And this project, we're using a lot of material, a new product for RWC. From the service, we run CPVC from the main all the way to the units, and then we do PVC transection to SharkBite PEX and to the units. For RWC, we use transection fittings, PEX Press fittings, and fixture boxes. Yeah, the fittings we use, they had a ring integrated, so we just gotta put it together and press it. For the stop valve, we're using a HoldRite fixture box. We like type stop valve because it came with the angle stop already, and easy to install it, and then it came with the plastic to protect it for the drywallers, make sure they don't damage. Inside the unit, we're using a SharkBite PEX Press. The reason I like it because it's pretty simple to install it. Just one tool, like the pipe cutters, and we do a bunch of work. So that's faster and easy for us. So I like it though.
When we use the other fittings, it takes a bit longer per install. And when you're talking 3 installs per unit and 90 units, you know it adds up.
The SharkBite PEX is better for us. And in installation, I mean, it's faster, like I said. That's a requirement for the city and this project. Pretty simple to learn. It's not too difficult. When we do the installation, we notice on the fittings little holes. So make sure when you do the installation, make sure you push the pipe all the way through. And you can see the pipe, so that's when you're ready to press it. The plumbers, they like it a lot because it's easier to install it and faster, and they don't have to carry a lot of tools with them. RWC. It's a pretty fast company, I mean, because they bring everything we need, so that's the good thing for us.